On day 6 of fishing with Ryan, we're going to restore this old boat dock to its original condition. Mine down there, so you can drive it back down there, and it's probably in the back of the truck. Actually, it's in the back right-hand side. Thank you. That way she can drive, not even have to walk and chill. You want this board taken off? No.
Like that nail right there behind you. You got a nail on it. Don't knock it in and take it out.
Okay. All right. So I got 12'8" is where it's at, but I've got this board coming out at 12'11", 12'10" and a half, 12'11". So like 13 foot is what I would say. Cause is your board going out, that big board on the bottom? All right, so we're gonna say 13 foot. Well, we can do it longer. We can do 13.6. Ooh, this is a sketchy one right here, boy. Woo! Oh, man. All right. That one out to the board is like 13.1. 13 and 13 3/4. And 3/4 of an inch, but it's like 13.1. What's lurking underneath there too? Un lápiz? Un lápiz? Pencil? I think that's pencil, or is that pen? I don't know. Hold on. Ah! He doesn't even jump or anything. He's not amused. No, I got him on. Got it right here.
Empty your pockets. Anything valuable.
They're empty.
Might all take this thing off.
I mean, it's clipped on.
Okay.
Do you think it's over 4 foot deep?
No, it ain't over.
All right, then I'll be fine with the mic. Oh, okay, it's just right there.
Put it in there. Let's do a lever action.
Okay.
Don't go too far. About halfway.
Probably should go. I should probably go down here further, right? Yeah. I don't believe I do. I had one in the garage at the house, but not here. Hold on. I got some rope in my truck.
Can you hold it there?
Yeah. Do whatever you need to do. No, I didn't agree to this part.
Give me 2 more screws.
There you go. Good job, Dad. Whew. I felt immediate relief. Good job. Hit it again on the other side. Hold on, let me put this under here. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's just let it.
Catch your breath. Get that
Whew.
board off. Get down, slide it down.
Yeah, let me do it from right here.
All right, put one right beside it, right here.
It's to this 4x4 is 9 foot.
On the other side?
Now to over here is 9 foot 2 inches. All right. 9 foot. Fish are biting. I bet they were really biting this morning. Overcast like it was. Let's put one in and I'll just get them out here.
Space them out.
Still in there?
Keep going.
Moving your hands so much, making me nervous.
Go down.
Move your hands.
I got a head. Go down.
I'm not
A
Rose.
little bit more.
One of these times I'm human, I'm gonna miss.
Open it.
You want one?
I'll take one.
You want Gatorade or water?
I'll take a Gatorade, please.
Just
Thank you.
orange, sorry.
It's all right.
I'm getting home.
I don't want that. You got a crunch bar?
No, that's all I got. You need me to go get you a crunch bar?
And so, for those watching what's going on,
Do what?
for those that are going to be watching what's going on,
He's diabetic. Working makes his sugar goes down. So it went down.
and then
His meter alerted.
does this happen often?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so this is nothing to be worried about out there.
Oh, no. That's exactly
And
why I'm
is he
so
hard-headed? We tell him, don't be doing this, don't be
Yeah.
working like this.
It's a Nichols trait.
And then he does it anyways.
Nichols trait.
So it's just almost like, kick him off in the water. He ain't gonna listen. Oh yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Got to go through both of them.
All right.
There you go. Tap it in gently.
What?
Give me that microphone. A little too close to the water. No. Put that dragonfly pad. I'm looking for something to eat. You need your change right quick?
I'm just gonna hop in your truck.
take that thing down to right here. Put it back over here. That's good right there.
Like this.
Whoa, that's good. All right, get your drill. Yeah.
Run, maybe. It stings.
Maybe one of them electric eels in here.
Could be.
In and out. There you
I
go.
still didn't learn, yeah. 4 times, it's gonna be the 5th time.
Boy, you got 5 of them. Get the other boat.
Doing a fine job.
Thank you.
Just do it a little faster.
I hear you. All right, give me them 2.
Copter.
Jumped into the water?
They strapped you in and then dunked you upside down into the water, and then you had to get out.
Oh, no.
No,
I know what that is.
No, I was not doing that.
Yeah. Okay.
Right there.
All right. No, that's good, because once this thing comes up, you're already equal to it right there.
Do you need me to pick this up?
Just hold it right
This
there.
needs to come up. This
Okay.
is-
Hold it right there a second.
Let me get this started real quick.
Put your flip-flops on so you don't get splinters in your feet. Then you will have something to holler about. Split the difference.
All right, so far this is what it looks like. We added those boards, added some boards on top so that way I could at least walk out there. We can get all the way out here now safely, and that's what it's about. We're not done yet though. So stay tuned for what we have coming next. I'm gonna be fixing the fish station up down there, and I'm gonna be bringing the side right around here. Stay tuned. All right, got out here. It's all this little stormy out here right now. But I looked on the weather radar, Doesn't show that it's going to be anything crazy. So we're still going to go. We might run through Bradley Canal real quick. See what everybody's doing back here today. Now I gotta make sure it's deep enough back here for me to go through. I went through here the other day. Now the water's down even more, so I might get back here and just almost float through. I just want to go see who's back here. Go mess around real quick. Burning up valuable fishing time though. there's people back here. How are y'all? Party spot back in here. It's not even really going tomorrow, it'd be going pretty good. Pretty cool, huh? Look at the sky. That's why I love it through here. Got back down. There we go. I think they came in and dredged it, which is good because I couldn't get through the other day with this boat. Yeah, when you start going fast, you start hitting the bottom. My motor sinks down. Gotta wait till I get out here. We'll clean the motor off and we'll get to going. If I see lightning, I'm taking it back though. I haven't seen any on the radar yet. It might just be a regular rainstorm, but if it starts lightning, we're gonna head back. I'm hitting the bottom. I still gotta wait. Shallow over here. It's crazy to think I'm not gonna see lightning. You're gonna see lightning right here. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it back. I'm not a mud boat. I can't do what the mud boats do. Mud boats get in here and do what they want. Outboards, you can't really do that. This storm kind of looks like it's gonna miss us. I can't really tell, and I don't want to get out there and get caught.
But I do want to put that line out in the water today, for sure. My storm chasing instincts want to put me at the base of the storm. And I know you shouldn't do that in the boat. Was that lightning? I can't tell. If I hear thunder, I'm gone. I looked on the weather radar and I didn't see any lightning associated with this storm when I came out just a few minutes ago. And it also looks like it's pushing away from the lake. It kind of looked like it was coming towards us. It's one little supercell and it's pushing away. Get out here in the boat road, clean off my motor, and let's get out here and get where we're going. Always slow down right here for cross boaters and cross traffic. See like that going through. And there's another boat right there. no. I guess we're gonna get it anyways. I'm fishing it anyways. Until I see lightning, I'm fishing it. What? Oh, no, 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 no. I see the rain coming now. Damn. Damn, this is right where I wanted to be too. Right here. We're gonna fish until we can. Nope, 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 we're about to get wet. Oh my gosh. Right as I got to the fishing hole. I ain't trying to get all wet though. It's all right, we were gonna come here today and fish. I'm not gonna get the camera equipment all wet. I'm not getting myself all wet either. And there's more than likely gonna be lightning. We'll come back here tomorrow morning. It's all good. Let's get out of here before it starts raining. It's already raining. Out of here. Let's get back upriver. Well, that's why everybody's hauling butt. We'll haul butt too. Get them out of here. I'm not trying to get wet, soaked. And I knew that. I chase storms. I can see them clouds coming. I should have known better than that. But I wanted to try it anyways. The rain's coming for sure. I see the rain pouring down. Well, at least we got to go for a nice boat ride today. Went through Bradley Canal, came around through top of Alligator Bayou. Now we'll go right back up the river. Just like that. You know, every time we hit a wave, because you start shaking too. I'm glad you were with me today though. Thank you for being in here. We'll come back out here tomorrow and do it again. If you'll be here with me. If not, I'm still going to do it anyways. But I hope to see you here. See the waves coming off the wall? That's what I'm hitting. Reverberating off the wall. You can probably see them in the camera. I didn't see them until I got right up on them coming out like that. I would have slowed down sooner. I'm 38 miles an hour right now. They're not gonna have a good time. They're about to go through some water. It's gonna be wet for them back there. That's why you must plan accordingly. Storm's looking gnarly behind us. Tell you what, we still got a few minutes. I'm already out here on the water. Let's go fish this opening back here. How about that? Flying around that corner. I think he's going faster than me. Now we better go back in. This thing is running up on us real fast. Check out this storm. It's rolling up on us quick. Yeah. Damn, man. I really want to go fishing. It's just right here. It's just rolling up too fast. I don't like even putting a line out in the water when it start possible lightning. So I'm gonna put it back over here. We're gonna dock for the day. I appreciate y'all's patience. I'm sorry we didn't get to fish today, but we will tomorrow. There's plenty of days for fishing, but we gotta be safe. Safety's key. Paramount's number one. We come out here for peace of mind and for safety, so we don't want to compromise that in any way, shape, or form. Going out to fish today would be just that. But check out this dock. I've got it fixed right here. That's all right. But I've got all of this fixed today. Me, Dad, and Mom. And it's really nice to be able to just step out and walk out onto a nice dock. Woo! I got my Hey Dudes on today. I'm gonna make sure to tie up this boat real quick. Can't forget that. I've got to fix the boat lift. I'll be doing pull-ups right there. You hear that thunder? We've been coming off that lake anyways. I'm not going out there like that. Let me get the motor out of the water. We're good to go for today. All right. There we go. Boat dock is fixed for right now. And that is day 6 fishing with Ryan. Stay tuned for day 7.